Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for South Central St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, East Central Putnam County in northeastern Florida until
991's first tornado warning.
Time. At 1:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over San Mateo or over East Palatka, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Serving Daytona Beach. Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Polk County and Central Florida, Northeastern Hillsborough County and West Central Florida until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Medina, 7 miles southeast of Plant City, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
I knew Ruskin would be smart enough.
Expect damage to roofs,
Not dumb like
siding,
Melbourne.
and trees. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Plant City, Mulberry, Lakeland Linder Airport, Medina, Gibsonia, Plant City Airport, Winston, Comby Settlement, and Crystal Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wait, what? Hold on. They issued another one.
At 9 miles per hour. For Lakeland, with thunder, 91 degrees.
Okay.
Heat index 100. Wind west at 5 miles per hour.
Alright.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Polk County and Central Florida, Northeastern Hillsborough County, and West
Alright,
Central
it says they
Florida.
issued them. Oh, here we go.
Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Polk County and Central Florida until 4:40
Oh wait, I know what storm this is.
At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
Yep, it's that one.
near
Melbourne
Lakeville,
might issue one.
moving north at
Double
15
header?
miles per hour.
No, Melbourne's too
Hazard,
dumb.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Put this thing over here.
Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Siena, Winter Haven.
Point Siena's not in Polk
Wales,
County.
Lake Alfred,
It's in
Lake
Osceola
Park,
County.
Dundee, Lake Hamilton, Highland Park, and Cypress Gardens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh no! Goose! Ted 50 Hertz!
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Mercer Brevard County
Just in time.
Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near West Melbourne, or near Melbourne, moving northeast at 15 miles. time information is brought.
Flagler Beach? Why?
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located.
I'm catching it right now. Only if Jacksonville would issue one, this could be a doubleheader. There's no way they're gonna issue one.